Hi everyone, this is Sarah Nicholas with Old Republic Title coming to you today to talk about some debt spring cleaning. This is about the time of year where a lot of people are going to be taking advantage of the equity in their home to not only do home improvement projects, but to also probably do some debt consolidation. If you have a customer who's looking to do some debt consolidation through a new home loan, here are 3 things that you need to know to go ahead and make that process really smooth for them. 1, we're going to be needing the most recent statement. This is so that we can have the most current balance to pay through closing. The second thing we're going to be needing is a payment mailing address. Oftentimes this is actually going to be a P.O. box, and in some cases an overnight address may be available. 3, and probably the most important, is we need a full account number. Nowadays, with security purposes, oftentimes statements, apps, or even the web page do not provide this full account number. So your customer may have to do a little bit of investigation, or if we happen to be paying off a credit card, usually that account number that's listed on the front of their card is what we'll use to reference on the check. Another vital piece of information that your customers are going to need to remember if they're doing debt consolidation with a new home loan is that our payments at funding take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to post to that account, depending on the creditor. So it's really important that your customers continue to make their minimum payments to avoid any late charges until they see our payment post. Now, if you have a customer who becomes concerned and 3 to 4 weeks have passed and the payment still has not posted, please have them give me a call and I'm happy to do some investigation. If you or your customers have any other questions regarding a debt consolidation through a new home loan, please feel free to have them give me a call or contact me directly, and I'm happy to help. Thank you so much and have a great day.